What up, y'all? It's D Soul. Yeah, so today we're just gonna try and make this as least awkward as possible. Um, so I'm gonna teach y'all a fixed point. Uh, so a fixed point is basically a concept that's not necessarily specific to popping, but is used so much in popping and in hip hop and almost anytime, not anytime, I don't want to make a big generalization, but there is a lot that you can do with a fixed point. It just basically articulates a shape or a fixed point in space. And so that kind of really allows you to articulate any type of illusion that you want to. So I'm gonna try and reduce it down to the most basic element as possible, which is just the actual fixed point without getting into shapes and things like that, where mimes are the experts on that. So a lot of popping is mime based, as you might see after this video, but with a fixed point in space, we're talking about like, so if I'm facing the camera, it's taking in a two-dimensional image. Now that's only really measuring going back and forth. It can't tell if I'm really going front and back so much. So it's not the best feedback for a fixed point. What you want is something that can give you three-dimensional feedback. Three-dimensional feedback is a little harder to find. The reason why I'm in the kitchen right now is because actually one of my OGs, my mentors, and one of my favorite people in this world is Mr. Steen from Denmark. He told me like he always used to practice tutting in the kitchen. He'd get inspiration from how all the cabinets hinge on things. So as you can see, like 90-degree stuff. There's a lot of corners in here that you can just pull tuts off of. So I got so much inspiration just off that. But back to fixed point. The kitchen is also a great place to practice fixed points. Now you can grab objects, but for example, what I would give you for a first exercise is, let's see. So like for a cabinet per se, right? This is a three-dimensional feedback mechanism here. Let's do this. This is not my cabinet, as you can see. I don't eat sugar, all right? No, but this is part of my house, but I don't use this stuff. Okay, so three-dimensional feedback mechanism right here, or AKA a kitchen cabinet. This corner, what I want you to do is like grab it, right? Just grab the tip right here. Just grab this, and then you're gonna go front and back, and you're gonna feel the relationship of your arm to your body in order to create that fixed point in space, okay? So you can come underneath it, you can come forward and back, right? You can also go side to side. Remember, it's three-dimensional. So first, what I want you to do is go front and back. So front and back. Right there, put your hand right there, and you're gonna go front and back. And then after that, you're just gonna slightly lighten the pressure of your fingers when you're going front and back, so you can get that feedback without actually grabbing onto the physical object. You're starting to get the understanding of how your body moves back and forth. Try and go slow at first. Then you can close your eyes to kind of just ingrain it in your muscle memory. Then what I want you to do is try and go side to side with it. First, grab the corner, go side to side. Feel the relationship of your arm and your body. Then lighten the pressure again. Eventually you'll get to a place where your fingers are just grazing the edges of it, and you can go side to side, front, back, up, down. Now you can pull your hand completely off of it, and you can grab that point in space and hopefully you have a decent fixed point. Now, see, I still need some work. Fixed points are very hard to master. They're like, they're endless. You got so many ways of applying them, also different positions, different body parts. But learning how to just first grab that fixed point and getting a feedback mechanism and an awareness of where you're at in space in relation to that fixed point is the first step. So, I mean, I can go in much more depth in this. I can get really technical with the muscles and the anatomy and all that, and then also build concepts off of it. But what I want to do right now is just let y'all play with that idea, because I don't feel like being spoon-fed something is not what I'm here to do. I want to inspire curiosity. So hopefully this gives you enough to inspire a question. And a question, when you have a question, that leads to motivated action. So hopefully, unless you're just lazy. But anyways, just play with that. I hope that was helpful, and yeah, we'll get some more fixed points in soon. So, all right, get to it. Peace.